Myself, Arthur Clive, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. So now I am going to take about Unit 1 in Automobile Engineering subject. So first unit is Vehicle Structure and Engines. So in this unit we are going to study about types of automobiles, vehicle constructions and different layouts, chassis, frame and body, vehicle aerodynamics. So in this video we are going to study these four topics. So types of automobiles. So automobiles are divided into many types according to their categories. So first it is based on purpose. For example, passenger vehicle and goods vehicle. So what is the purpose of passenger vehicle? So it is for transportations of the passengers to carry it one place to another. So passenger vehicles. Goods vehicles. The purpose of the goods vehicle, it carries the goods from one place to another place, one state to another. So it is divided into two types, that is the passenger vehicles and goods vehicles. So next, based on capacity. So it is divided into three types, that is heavy motor vehicle, light motor vehicle and medium vehicle. For example, in heavy motor vehicle, so large and bulky motor vehicles, example large trucks, lorries, buses. So these are comes under heavy motor vehicle. So next, light motor vehicle, for example small motor vehicles, example car and jeeps. So these are comes under light motor vehicle. Next, medium vehicle. So it is a relatively medium sizes vehicles, example small trucks, mini buses. So these are comes under the medium vehicles. So it is divided into based on capacities. Next, based on fuel sources. So what are the fuels used in that vehicle? So for example, the petrol engine, diesel engine, solar vehicles, hydrogen vehicles. Nowadays they are using the electric vehicles. Okay, these are all based upon the fuel sources. Next, classifications of automobiles. So first is classified as based on fuel sources, that is the petrol engine vehicles, diesel engine vehicles, solar vehicles, hydrogen vehicles. Next, based on type of transmission, that is the automatic transmission vehicles, conventional transmission vehicles and semi-automatic transmission vehicles. Next, based on number of wheels, we know, so two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheelers. So based on number of wheels, it is classified. Next, based on the side of drives, left hand drive automobiles and right hand drive automobiles. Okay, left hand drive and right hand drive. So see, this next we are going to see about the chassis and frames. So see, the whole part is known as the chassis. First of all, we have to know what are the parts present in the chassis that is relevant to the automobiles. So as know, we know, we found it. So radiator is located on the front side of the each and every vehicle. So next, engine is also located in the front, that is the behind the radiator. The engine is located as it is seen in this diagram. Okay, next, apart from engine, there is a clutch. Okay, So in between the engine and gearbox, the clutch is present. Okay. From the gearbox, the drive is transmission to the differential, that is the rear axle, through propeller shaft to propeller shaft. So petrol tank is located at the rear side of the vehicle. So this is the horizontal members, the frames. It has two members, vertical members on the horizontal members. That is the horizontal members on side members. So this is the front wheel drive layout. So what is mean by front wheel drive? So from the engine only the drive will pass only the front wheel. Okay, in this diagram we can see from the engine directly the front wheel start running. Okay, front wheel, it with the help of the front wheel only the rear wheel will rotate it. So directly the speed of the engine goes to the front wheel. So this is the engine part. So final drive, we can see transaxle and torque converter. Okay, this is the front wheel drive. Next, this is the rear wheel drive. So here some of the components, more components are present. So from the engine, that drive will pass through the rear wheel. Okay, so it is known as the rear wheel drive. See, engine, torque converter, transmission, next drive shaft, final drive. Okay, we can see in this diagram only the rear wheel will rotate. Okay, if the engine rotates, from the engine through the transmission system, that is the propeller shaft, okay, it passes to rear axle. Okay, so we can see in this diagram. So this is the rear wheel drive layout. See, we can see the chassis. Okay, see, engine is located, transmission system, transfer case, next axle, drive shaft. So these are all main parts of the chassis. Before bodybuilder of the vehicle, so we can see like this only. So chassis and frame. See, the automobiles such as cars, buses and trucks